Hello again. I am going to put these die cuts away, and anyhow I went to these elephants and I'm taking them apart. Like in the center are little things. I have no idea what this is. I'll have to find this picture and print it out and put it with it. But anyway, oh, do I have a rubber stamp? Yes, I do have a rubber stamp for this. I need to put them together, otherwise they'll probably never be together again. But anyhow, I'm gonna put them in here. I'm gonna try to put them alphabetical, because that's kind of how I look for things. And anyhow, I was taking these apart and I'm clipping these, and you know, it's like wiggling them apart and stuff like that, and trying to get them in here and cut that. It's like it's really difficult. And so anyhow, oh, where's my new favorite tool for this? So I got out this pliers, and I have to say, it's like I have an array of pliers because I make jewelry, but this one here is just so good for so many things. And so anyhow, it's like when I come up, like it was hard to get that off, and it's kind of left a rough edge. But when I took this and pulled it off, I mean, it still left a little bit of an edge, but I don't think as much as it did the other one. Okay, now, and the center is hooked in two places, so it was easier to do this, just turn it, than to clip it out of there. And then take these out. And so I just thought that was a good helpful hint. So I'm gonna continue, and when I get my things in here, then it's like I will show you again. Like these ones here, I have to say that they had, let me pull out this other pack here. Oh, I don't even know if you can see. Oh yeah, I guess you can see it. See this one here, it's got all these little pieces, and I think if I start here in the middle, it will just be easier to turn it and take them apart that way, because trying to clip it, I gotta get a hold of it before I can turn it. So yeah, doing that is much easier. And I mean, if you hurt yourself on that, it's like you probably need to get a little Dremel out and take it off, but I probably won't mess with it that long. But yeah, it's much easier to do this than to try to clip it. Now that one was kind of tough, but it's still easier to turn it than to clip it, because I was really having a hard time trying to clip on that inside. Now there's still some stuff in here, but I think I'm gonna try this. Now the little piece is really small. I don't know if it's on this side, it's a little bigger. Let me try this one now. See, I guess I have to have two things out. I don't know. But yeah, see, it's really hard to wiggle them. But yep, I guess you need that for this. You gotta have two tools. But let me try this side again. And yeah, it's still really hard to get it off there. Let me try it from the back. Maybe that will help with this one. Because I know I don't use this one very much in jewelry, but once in a while I use it, and it's real handy. Yeah, I still can't get it off. If it bothers me, I guess I'm gonna have to Dremel it. But yeah, I just thought I would show you that this tool is really nice for those center pieces. It's a lot easier to turn it. Yes, definitely, than to try to clip it. And in the bigger ones, it's easier to get off with this. Yeah, see, it even comes off there, but it was hard. This one is already down so far after taking those little things off. And I'm gonna take, I have some really tiny plastic bags. I'm gonna put all these little tiny things in it. Like this looks like a cloud. I don't know what you're gonna have a really tiny layout for that. Okay, so I'll be back after I get my books started to organize, and I'll show you how far I've gotten. Okay, I'm back, and I have I've got these as full as I can get them. Well, it's like I'm trying to stay alphabetical. So like this is animals. Then I have well, these are animals. It's the bunnies and the cups. Then I have art. And I've just tried to make it like I would think of it. So even if it might not be like what you would think of it, this is what I would think of it. So like the elephants, I would think that's baby. And then I'm calling this bases, because I would use them like for a cluster base. And birthday, so it's balloons. So anything birthday I would put like in this section. So I've got a few more. They're just the small ones though, so it's kind of hard to put things in every small one. And then these are books that took a big page. Butterflies, and I still have 2 pages here. And cameras, so this, I could have put this over here, but these are just small ones. It's like, I just don't have a bunch of stuff I can put in the small ones yet. And so this Christmas, this is baking or Christmas, because this is a dual purpose one, or cooking. I actually, instead of doing baking, I just did cooking, so it covers everything. These are doilies. Oh, I started with the picture in the back, and then I moved it to the front, so I'll go ahead and move these to the front. Like here's the Easter, and I just love that rabbit. And them feathers, fishing. So I have this up to F, G, H. And then I know like the center of the alphabet is N. So I was actually dividing it like that, but I mean, these are, for being such little books, they are really heavy. And then here's, you know, M through, I put these like as people, because I thought, well, I could do kids, girls, boys. Then I'm just gonna put them as people, and I couldn't get all my people in here. And I got the little Polaroid thing. And then I did put soccer and St. Patrick's Day. And then I have the stamps. And I do have more that are in a box, but if they're in a nice case, like the Tim Holtz ones, I'll probably leave them in the ones that they're in. But I think I'm gonna buy another set of books. It comes to a package. And I think I like just being able to flip through them. And it saves me from buying the magnets like a lot of people use. So I think I'm gonna use this for a while and see how I like it. So far I've been liking it. Now I do have, and I'll put these down below. I do have like these other ones I just wasn't able to get in there. And this is the one I got from the Dollar Tree the other day. And then I have a word, hello. So I might just put anything that's words that's not like Halloween or Easter, but just like generic words. I might put them all in one place and just call it words. And so these are the ones that I wasn't able to get in. And they're basically Halloween, fall, leaves, and then these other girls that I had. So I'll have to, I just thought if I keep them alphabetical, I know I'll put on the cover, you know, what it is, you know, A through M or whatever. And that way it'll be easy for me to grab them and use them. And you can see this one's really packed, but I used all the dividers that I had, and or well, all the pockets. I actually still have all the dividers, but I would put these in there. I don't know. I'm not gonna think about it now because they're in alphabetical order. How easy is that? So that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow, where I will hopefully be doing a layout, because I don't think I'm gonna bring anything else home. So I'll see you then. Have a great day. Bye-bye.